Get ready. 5 seconds to go. And start. Vijay Kumar Jaiswal, PW13, informant in his evidence has said that on 29 September 1992, his father early in the morning left the house for morning walk but did not come back, and on that day at about 10 a.m. he received a telephone call from some unknown that his father was in his custody and if he wanted his safety he must pay a sum of rupees 5 lakh immediately, which would be received by him as ransom, and he would receive further information, and in case he reported the matter to police, his father would be killed. Stop. He has further said that after receiving such information, he started searching his father, and at Kirani Ghat, he came to know that his father had returned up to that ghat, and when he did not get further information, he submitted a written report exhibit 4 to police. Stop. He has also said that in the year 1987 an agreement was executed before his father and appellant Rajesh Kumar Singh for running a cinema hall named as Pawan Picture Place, Nevada, and after 5 to 6 months of the business, a dispute arose in the matter of accounting and cinema hall was closed, and at that time Kanhaiya Prasad Singh, father of appellant Rajesh Prasad Singh, used to look after the cinema hall, and after the death of Kanhaiya Singh, appellant Rajesh Kumar Singh married the daughter of appellant Madan Singh, and appellant Lalu Singh was the manager of cinema hall. Stop. He has further said that about 3 months prior to occurrence at the house of appellant Madan Singh, a panchayati in connection with dispute of partnership was held, which was attended by appellants Rajesh Kumar Singh, Madan Singh, Lalu Singh, his father Arun Kumar Sinha, and he was also present in that panchayati, and after accounting it was found that appellant Rajesh Kumar Singh had invested a sum of rupees 4 lakhs for that cinema hall, and his father was ready to pay the money, but appellants Rajesh Kumar Singh, Madan Singh, and Lalu Singh made a demand of rupees 6 lakhs, but his father said that he would only pay a sum of rupees 4 lakhs, and when no decision was arrived at panchayati, his father left the panchayati. Stop. He has proved the agreement exhibit 5 of partnership executed by his father and appellant Rajesh Singh. Stop. According to him, on 23rd May 1989, Kanhaiya Prasad Singh along with his men entered the Pawan Picture Palace and took away a sum of rupees 3,500 parts of a projector machine and lens, for which his father filed a criminal case number 127 of 1989, and thereafter on 19 January 1991 stopped.